National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Kane County in northeastern Illinois, northwestern DuPage County in northeastern Illinois, northwestern Cook County in northeastern Illinois, until 5 p.m. At 4:13 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Gilbert's, or near Sleepy Hollow, moving southeast at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Elgin, Sleepy Hollow, and west of you around 4:20 p.m. East of you around 4:25 p.m. St. Charles around 4:30 p.m. Wayne around 4:35 p.m. DuPage Airport, Bartlett, Streamwood, and Hanover Park around 4:45 p.m. Carroll Stream around 4:50 p.m. West Chicago and Roselle around 4:55 p.m. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include South Barrington, South Elgin, Pingree Grove, and Barrington Hills, including the following Interstate 90 between mile markers 22 and 31. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.